Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to take a look at new file attributes. So as you can see here, when we normally create new content, so I'm going to create a 3D part here, it pre-populates the title with a unique string, which is okay, and we can change this by going into the properties. However, we'd have to do this for the shape and we'd have to do this for the part itself. However, we can set attributes on creation. So if you go to create a new part and we'll go to new content, you can see here there's a cog. By pressing on this cog, we can say set attributes of creation for all types. Now I've just turned this on, and what this will do is it'll give us our old V5 part information dialog box, just the new skin. And here we can set a new title. So I'm just going to set a title here. We can also set a description or any other mappings below. You see here, we can't edit the name because this is defined by 3D Experience. It has to be a unique name and a unique property. And also we have characteristics. So if we need to turn hybrid design on or off, or we want to create a geometrical set at the same time as we create our part, we can do. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel below. It really helps out and to enable me to create more content like this. Thanks for watching.